My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle has done just under 39,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have our automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen we can access navigation, Bluetooth, our sound and system, Wi-Fi and display. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And just below our screen, we have heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.